These 12 next-level hand tools are changing the way DIYers and professionals work in 2026. From smart innovations to time-saving designs, every tool on this list is worth seeing. Stay until the end because the #1 tool could completely transform your toolbox, and you won't want to miss it. Dual Laser Measuring Tool, the BLM-60G/BLM-100G. Dual Laser Measuring Tool is built for speed, precision, and convenience, making it a must-have for contractors, remodelers, and DIY enthusiasts. With dual laser technology, it delivers fast, highly accurate measurements for everything from room layouts to large job sites. The bright display and one-button operation make measuring quick and effortless. If you want professional-level accuracy without carrying bulky tools, Electric Screwdriver, Cordless, the JOREST 155-in-1 Mini. Electric Screwdriver Cordless is the ultimate repair kit for anyone who works on electronics, laptops, smartphones, gaming consoles, or small appliances. With a powerful cordless screwdriver and 155 precision bits, it handles delicate repairs quickly and accurately. Its compact, rechargeable design makes it easy to use at home or on the go. If you love DIY projects or tech repairs, this all-in-one toolkit is a smart upgrade that's definitely worth adding to your toolbox in 2026. ToolCheck Modular. The ToolCheck Modular is a compact all-in-one toolkit that combines sockets, bits, and a versatile ratchet into one portable system. Designed for mechanics, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts, it lets you handle quick repairs without carrying a full-size toolbox. Its modular design keeps every piece organized and easy to access, making it perfect for jobs at home, in the garage, or on the road. If convenience and efficiency matter, this is one of the smartest tool upgrades to own in 2026. SHARDEN Precision Screwdriver Set. The SHARDEN Precision Screwdriver Set is a versatile toolkit made for repairing smartphones, laptops, tablets, gaming consoles, watches, cameras, and other precision devices. With a wide selection of durable bits and a comfortable ergonomic handle, it makes detailed repair work easier and more accurate. The compact storage case keeps every piece neatly organized, so you're always ready for the next project. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIYer, this reliable tool set is a smart addition to any toolbox in 2026. T-Handle Hex Wrench Set, the THH1 Sliding T-Handle. Hex Wrench Set is designed to deliver maximum leverage, comfort, and precision for fastening and loosening hex bolts with ease. Its adjustable sliding T-handle gives you extra torque when you need it while providing excellent control in tight spaces. Built from durable, professional-grade materials, it's ideal for bicycle maintenance, automotive repairs, machinery, and general workshop projects. If you want faster, more efficient wrenching performance, this versatile tool set deserves a place in your toolbox in 2026. Laser Measuring Tool, the Fanttik A11 Ultra 3-in-1. Laser measuring tool packs laser distance measurement, a digital tape measure, and precision alignment into one compact device. Whether you're tackling home renovations, furniture installation, or professional construction projects, it delivers fast, accurate results in seconds. Its easy-to-read display and portable design make every measurement effortless. If you're looking for a smarter way to measure, this innovative tool is one of the most practical upgrades you can add to your toolbox in 2026. Precision Screwdriver Set, the JOREST 145-in-1. Precision Screwdriver Set is designed for anyone who repairs phones, laptops, tablets, cameras, gaming consoles, or other delicate electronics. Packed with 145 precision bits and essential repair accessories, it gives you the flexibility to tackle almost any small repair job with confidence. The organized storage case keeps everything easy to find, while the durable construction is built for repeated use. If you're serious about DIY repairs, this versatile toolkit is a must-have addition to your toolbox in 2026. Kraftform Kompakt VDE Big Pack 1. The Kraftform Kompakt VDE Big Pack 1 is built for electricians and serious DIYers who need safety, versatility, and reliability in one premium kit. Featuring insulated VDE certified blades, it helps you work confidently around electrical systems while delivering a secure, comfortable grip for maximum control. The interchangeable design saves space without sacrificing performance, making it ideal for service calls and everyday repairs. If you want professional-grade quality and dependable performance, this is a standout toolkit worth owning in 2026. Vacuum Cleaner and Air Blower. The MopCop Pro Vacuum Cleaner and Air Blower is a powerful 2-in-1 cleaning tool designed to vacuum dust and blast away debris with ease. It's perfect for cleaning car interiors, keyboards, workshops, power tools, and hard-to-reach spaces where regular vacuums fall short. Its lightweight, portable design makes it easy to carry anywhere, while the strong suction and air-blowing performance help you finish cleaning faster. If you want a smarter way to keep your workspace spotless, this is a must-have gadget for 2026. Ecarke Portable Car Cleaning. The Ecarke Portable Car Cleaning Tool is a compact cleaning solution built to keep your vehicle looking spotless without the hassle of bulky equipment. Whether you're removing dust from air vents, cleaning cup holders, or reaching tight spaces between seats, this portable tool gets the job done quickly. Its lightweight design makes it easy to store in your car and use whenever you need it. For anyone who takes pride in a clean ride, this is a practical car care essential worth having in 2026. Screw Extractor Linesman Pliers. The Screw Extractor Linesman Pliers are a game-changing tool for removing stripped, rusted, and damaged screws without wasting time or damaging surrounding materials. Designed with a powerful grip and multi-purpose functionality, they also work as durable linesman pliers for cutting, gripping, and twisting wire. Whether you're tackling home repairs, automotive projects, or job site tasks, this versatile tool helps you solve frustrating problems in seconds. It's a smart addition to any toolbox and a must-have for DIYers and professionals in 2026. Tubing Bender Pliers. The ARE's 90-degree tubing bender pliers make clean, accurate 90-degree bends in brake lines, fuel lines, and soft metal tubing without flattening or damaging the material. Designed for mechanics, HVAC technicians, and serious DIYers, these pliers provide excellent control and consistent results on every bend. The ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue, making longer jobs more comfortable. If you want professional-looking tubing work without expensive equipment, this specialized tool is a smart upgrade for your garage or workshop in 2026. Which of these tools would you add to your toolbox first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more amazing tools every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with even more next-level tools that are changing the way people work in 2026.